Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll do the hood emblem install on this 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander GTP with black roof. We're gonna go with black hood emblem. There's few hood emblems that you can have. It's black, satin, and chrome. All of them would look fantastic, but because this one has black roof, we will be also installing black side moldings. Just pure visually, black hood emblem is gonna go with it the best. So by the way, these hood emblems, you can order them on my accessory store, mrmitsubishi.ca, and I ship to Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, all over the world. The shipping is free. So the price you see in the website is the price you have to pay, and that's it. So there's no extra shipping costs. So right now, let's proceed and install this hood emblem on 2024 Outlander. And let's get going. So let's open up the box, see what we have inside. It comes in a beautiful box like this, packaged up, and then we can see how everything is made for an easy install. And these accessories, by the way, like same hood emblem you can put on any Outlander of this body style, PHEV 23, 24s and later ones, and then the gas as well, 22, 23, 24s. So this new body style Outlander is gonna fit. Okay, so this is what we have. So we literally, like, it's so simple and gives you so much pleasure when you do that, and it has a huge visual impact as well. So we put this together like pieces of puzzle, and then the last thing we need to do is we need to line them up, and you also need a masking tape to make sure they're like exactly perfectly lined up. So first we rest this against this Mitsubishi logo right here. Then we find the perfect spot. It's centered. We're happy where this middle part is. I always start with the middle part. Few pieces of masking tape, that's all we need. Okay, this one is good. Then we move on the other one. I've did it quite a few times, these installs, but when you do it first time, just don't rush. You can use this video as a reference and just do steps one by one. Also, make sure the surface is cleaned. I cleaned it with a glass cleaner already, and don't do it in a hot, when like if the hood is very hot or very cold. So do it at like proper normal outside temperature or in your garage. Okay, let's have a look what we got. So we lined everything up perfectly where we need to be. We put the masking tape, everything's exactly where we're happy with it. Now we can remove this part, and we'll literally just flip it over like this, remove this tape, and now it's a tricky part because now these letters are very sticky. And we flip it over, tap it gently, and then we'll go a little bit harder once everything is done. Now this part right here, flip it over, tap gently, and now the last piece of the puzzle. Okay, there we are. Now what we can do is we can press it a little bit stronger, but don't bend the hood, don't go too crazy. This letter right here, each letter individually. And then let it just, dry up. Don't need to do anything. This all, like, once it dries up, hardens up properly, give it like a few days to be super short. Then it's car wash friendly. You don't need to worry about that. They like stick on really good. Nothing bad will happen if you get them through car washes. And now we're gonna proceed on most important thing. We're gonna remove everything, and we're gonna enjoy the end result. Just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this film here. So make sure there's no fingerprints on it. And now we remove the foam part. There we go. Beautiful Outlander black letters on this sterling silver color. It just looks so cool. We'll be proceeding to install side molding as well, and that'll just finish off the entire looks. This Outlander hood emblem, I think, is one of those things that makes the biggest impact on the visual looks, and definitely, my opinion, this should be added on every single Outlander because it looks so cool. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Get your hood emblem at mrmitsubishi.ca website, and thank you so much for watching, and have fun installing if you ever want to do this yourself. So thanks again, and see you in next videos.